Nathan Hesse here with East Coast Yacht Sales, here to show you this incredible 2026 Targa 46 and talk about why these owners chose this boat to cruise the Chesapeake Bay and beyond. Let's go have a look. So these owners were coming from a much larger motor yacht. There was a challenge to run with just two people. So the Targa 46 is really a good downsized boat, really easy to run as an owner-operator. With this pilot house design, it's easy to step out. You've got really nice recessed side deck, so docking this thing with one or two people just becomes really easy. So from the helm here, it's really easy just to step out, have access to a breast line should you want to dock that way. Or there's also an aft docking station. But throughout this whole boat, there's visibility, there's open doors, easy communication to the other person that you're on the boat with. No need for headsets or heavy dock lines. Ease of use was a big thing for these owners. Another thing that drew them to the Targa is the systems. The systems are quite easy, quite well designed, easy to manage compared to larger motor yachts. Everything is integrated to be user-friendly. It's got a Victron energy system, which makes battery management quite easy, switching between shore power. The generator is a breeze with this. As you can see, the engine room is really well designed, really well organized, and easy to get into, easy to spend time in. And one of my favorite features is that every single through hull on the boat is led back here. So you're not searching around the bilges and under hatches and everything for through hulls. Everything's right here, really well organized. And one of the things that Targa does really well is labeling everything to a corresponding owner's manual. So for the owner operator who wants to go cruising, makes it easy to be out there on the hook and on your own. One of the things that really drew these owners to this Targa was the extended hardtop. It's a really great spot to come out in the morning, have your morning coffee without having to worry about anything being covered in morning dew. It also provides great shade if you're hanging out at the dock, hanging out at anchor. And then at night, a really wonderful space for alfresco dining. So these L-shaped settees in the aft here convert into really beautiful teak dining tables, and there's some folding chairs that you can set up. Makes the space really nice for hanging out, for having dinner with friends. One of the reasons that this boat is also really appealing to these owners is because of that ability to have guests. Now, this boat's, just over 50 feet LOA, but it has the privacy that you could find on a much larger motor yacht. And even some large motor yachts have less privacy than this. And that's because the boat has two distinct separated cabins. You got two distinct heads, two distinct cabins on different ends of the boat. So aft, you have a nice guest cabin or owner's cabin, depending on your preference, along with a quarter berth onto the starboard side and your own private head. It's quite some distance from the forward cabin. So you've got that level of privacy. When you need it, you can have guests over without feeling like you're right on top of each other. Another thing that drew the owners to go with the Targa over some other brands is the turn of speed. This boat cruises about 3 times what their motor yacht did. So you can get places a lot quicker, you can burn less fuel. It's easy to run, so it encourages spontaneity. They'll find that they end up using this boat a lot more because they can just hop on, easily get on and off the dock and have a great time without massive preparation. Makes it easier to find a dock, easier to find a place to go if you want to be tied up at a marina. Just opens up tons of options for you. So not only can you cruise at a much greater speed, there's an incredible amount of agility on this boat. The boat just feels good, it feels strong. It's really impressive when you're carving a turn if you need to, or in rough water, just how well this boat performs. It's a boat that you're gonna wanna take places. You're gonna wanna adventure in the bay, but you're gonna wanna adventure to the Bahamas, to Maine, to Newfoundland, Nova Scotia. It's a boat that just screams the desire to go out and explore and adventure. Another amazing spot to hang out with guests is up here on this Flybridge. Flybridge converts into having a teak table as well, nice seating, and a nice place to run the boat too. Great spot to drive, to go cruising in open water and really take in all the sights and sounds, along with keeping great visibility all around. So another major reason that these owners decided to go with the Targa is the level of fit and finish is really exceptional. High level of woodworking, carpentry skills, really beautiful teak. And this is commensurate with what you'd find on a much larger yacht. And as you go smaller, it's increasingly difficult to find a boat with this level of fit and finish. But the Targa maintains that level of class and quality and just has it in a smaller package. So if you're somebody who's considering downsizing from a larger 50, 60, 70 foot motor yacht, you'll be right at home with the quality and the level of craftsmanship on this Targa. Hopefully you enjoyed this walkthrough tour. If you want to talk about how to build a Targa 46 to meet your needs, reach out to me. My contact's in the information below.